How to fix Dolby software component install error 0x80070103 in Windows 11. Hello friends, version 3.30702.720.0 of Dolby software component is creating this issue for a lots of users. There might be bug or incompatibility issue in this version. Therefore, the most appropriate method to get rid of this issue is hiding the update. Follow the steps. Go to the video description and click on the link to show or hide updates tool. This will download the tool in your default browser. Once downloaded, click on this item. Click on next on this window. This will detect the problems and search for the updates, creating the issue. Click on hide updates. On my computer, Lenovo system, this version is showing. On your computer, you will find Dolby Software Component 3.30702.720.0 or the version which is creating the issue in this list. You will have to check Dolby Software Component. After checking, click on Next. The update will be hidden. Close. When the next version is available, it will be installed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.